Good morning and welcome back to Crafty Old Lady. What you see here before you are my 3 signatures. I decided to go with 3 instead of 2. And I am working on just making the labels and attaching them to the covers of each signature. So I've found some fabric that I liked and I frayed the edges somewhat. And a lot of times I just get a little straight pin and I just take out some of those little strings and make it frayed. I think maybe I could fray these even a little bit more. Let's try to do that. And then I'm going to use these little tiny brads to attach the labels to the fabric, and then I'm going to glue it down. And I'm not going to glue all the way to the edges of the fabric because I think it would look nice if it wasn't totally flat, you know. So we're gonna just fray up some of these little edges a little bit more. I just put a pin in there and pull, and then more strings come out. It's pretty easy. Sometimes they get stuck and you just got to do less. Instead of doing 3, do 2 or 1 at a time. Like they see that one's gotten stuck, so I'll just pull that one out. And there we got that side, and I think I need to do this side a little bit more. Alright, so I'm going to fray all the edges up a little bit more on these little fabric squares, and then I will show you how I'm doing and how I attach the labels to the fabric. Okay, so now I'm going to put a dab of glue on each label and glue it onto the fabric as straight as I possibly can, which I'm not good at. So we got that. Now we'll do this one. I printed these out on cardstock, but if I'm actually going to just put them right on there, I would probably print it out on sticker paper, which I do sometimes. And that's going to go there. And now this one, I actually did print this one out on a sticker, and so I stuck it on an index card so it'd be sturdier when I poke holes for the brads in there. Okay, so I've got all these 3 now, and I was going to put a brad in every corner, but I think I'm just going to do it on the edge, on one on each side. So, yeah, one on each side. It's a lot easier. I've got my little pokey tool. This is going to be a little bit difficult because of the angle of getting it on camera and the tripod. I really need to get an overhead. I really would like to get an overhead, you know, so I can film up here and not have a giant tripod in front of me all the time. So, let's see. Try to get that lined up a little bit. What's under there? The lid. I'm going to try to just kind of line it up so that I think it's kind of in the middle. And I believe it is. Got some fringe on each side of the line, and then I'm just going to kind of come right over here and hope for the best. It doesn't have to be perfect. I got that one there, and this one's right about on the line too, so it should be even. And of course, one looks a little bit higher than the other one. So now I got to get two of the same color brads. And I think I will do that and get 4 more of the same colors. Is that the same color? Yeah. There's like a gold one, silver, and black. So there is a black one. I don't see any other black ones. Let's see. There's another black one. Okay. The two are going to have gold and one's going to have black. I'll put the black one in the middle. Alright, so let's do this. Yeah, since I was originally going to put one in each corner, I might need to put a little more glue on the label before I stick it down, you know, in the corners. But anyway, that's how that looks. Not exactly perfectly straight, is it? That's okay. Let's put some more glue on here since we're not doing the corners. I think I might have a nervous breakdown if I was trying to put 4 on. It's hard enough putting 2 on. Alright, so we got that one. We'll let that dry over there. Oh look, there's 2 out over here. They're not the same color though. Alright, I am actually going to line these up off camera so I can move my tripod. Right, so I think I've lined these up a little better. I'm going to put the black brads in the blue. Oops. My blue signature is going to be in the center, so we'll have that have the different colored brads. Oh, that looks pretty. I should use black for all of them. But anyways, I do like the black better. But we're going to roll with it now. That one, I feel like these 2 that I made lined up off camera are much better, or straighter and more even. I'm going to put them all together and we'll see if I want to do the other one again. I am a slight perfectionist, but you know, a human eye and human hands don't always see things exactly as they are. You know, what looks straight to us might not be. And it might not look the same to other people either. So I'm just going to line them up and see what I think. I think it's okay. I'm not going to be nitpicky about it. I'm going to glue them onto their covers now. And I've got most of the papers ready for my signatures, but I'm not ready yet because I gotta maybe get a couple more papers set up. So we're gonna just put this like right at the top of the page and try. Hopefully that one is straight. I think that's good. There, looks good. Move that over here. I don't want any glue to seep through the to the signature, you know, the pages. Although this way it would be seeping through to the other side of the paper, but let's glue that one on right here. There is a church in our town that has like a couple of rummage sales a year, and they always have leftover quilting fabrics and all kinds of, you know, sewing stuff. And it's just, I love it because I get little swatches of fabric for so cheap. And they're vintage usually. And I don't know how they keep this supply going. They must have so much of it. Because I've been getting it for years. And they never seem to run out. Alright, so there we have that one. And I don't think I showed you that one. So there we go. That's it for creating the covers. Thanks so much for watching. And I think this was part 5, maybe part 6. I don't remember. But I just noticed that these little cards go really great with the green and the blue. I'll probably be using one of these or maybe more in the decoration of the journal. Anyway, I think this is part 5, so stay tuned for part 6. Have a great day. Thanks so much for watching.